go. First up is the toucan with its really large yellow beak. Did you press that button? We have to be really quiet so as not to disturb that beautiful panther. Let's go. Look at that beautiful baby elephant. Don't be afraid. The snake you see is actually very friendly and won't harm you. The creature here is an orangutan. Quickly, press the button. I hear thunder. Let's take shelter in that hut. Oh no! Look at the cheeky monkeys that have raided our camp.